Remove the SPE manifold from its packaging and place it gently on the workbench. Remove the top cover plate, install the outlet needles, then replace the plate. Ensure a tight seal. Plug unused extraction ports with caps to maintain sealing. Insert the control valve into the extraction port, then install the cartridges. To activate the cartridges, turn on the vacuum pump and adjust the flow rate. Load the samples or reagents to be processed into the cartridges. Once the vacuum pump is activated, the samples will flow smoothly into the waste container below under negative pressure. Use the control valve to precisely regulate the flow rate. After the liquids in the cartridges are completely drawn out, turn off the vacuum pump. Insert 15mm centrifuge tubes under the outlet and close the top cover plate. Ensure each outlet tubing is aligned with its corresponding collection tube. Add the Elution solvent to the cartridge. After the eluate has been fully drawn, remove the tubes and set them aside. And dispose of the waste in the waste container properly.